Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to see you here back. So today's video is gonna be so interesting because I have tried something new and really want to share this art piece with you all. Basically, we're gonna create an easy illusion art piece. Guys, I saw this technique on an Instagram page and I really liked it. So let's get started. First of all, here I am applying some masking tape on the canvas. This will give us an accurate division between the sea and sky. Now to paint the sky, here I am applying some colors which are aqua green, white, turquoise and blue. Now take out your blending brush and spread the colors like this. You can also use a makeup brush like I am using here. It will give a nice effect. Now when you are done with this, take a sponge and start applying the colors like this. Basically, with the help of a sponge, we need to create an effect of galaxy. Guys, this is a very easy technique and you can make it in very less time. Like if you are planning to create a simple galaxy painting, you can use this sponge technique. Just keep doing like this and you will get a nice effect. Yes, this technique will definitely take little time and patience, but on the other hand, it is super fun and I really enjoyed it a lot. Guys, the colors I am using here is according to my choice. You can use according to you. You can see here I am adding some black on both of the sides and blending it with white. Now when you are done with the sky, remove the masking tape. And it's time to paint the lower part of the canvas, which is the river. So here I am going to use the same colors which I have used at the sky part. Now with the help of a sponge, I am creating the same effect I have done earlier. And guys, one more thing, if you are new here, then please do subscribe to this channel. I need your support and love. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell so that you will get all the notifications whenever I will upload a video. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. You can ask anything in the comment section, as well as you can suggest me new content ideas so that I can work on that in future. I would really love to work on your ideas. Alright, so here I am going to apply some black paint on the sides of the canvas like this. And after that, here I am taking an old toothbrush and dipping it in the mixture of white acrylic paint plus water and sprinkling it like this. Now in the next step, here I am making some mountains with the help of my black acrylic paint. And when it is done, start making some trees like this. You can create the trees with the help of a fan brush like I am doing here. Also, you can make them with the help of a flat brush. And when your galaxy painting is done, here is the most important and interesting part. Just take out some gesso in a bowl and start applying it with a large brush on the canvas like I am applying here. Guys, I saw this technique on an Instagram page, which is an art page basically, and I really like this technique, so that I decided to make the painting as soon as possible. Alright, when you are done with the gesso, leave it for some time, and now here I am applying some blue and white to paint the sky. So here we will create a new painting inside this gesso part. Now when the sky part is done, paint the mountains with the help of black plus green. I am creating the mountains on the same place which I have made earlier, so that it will create an illusion. Now it's time to paint the sea. Here I am using my sky blue, aqua green and white. And when it is done, start painting the beach part. Here I am using my brown and white together to make the sand area. And here I am finishing the corners with the help of some green and white. Now start painting the waves with the help of white acrylic paint like I am doing here. You can make beautiful waves with the help of a small round brush or a detailing brush. Just apply some white acrylic paint on the outline of the waves and merge it with water like this. Here I am adding some shadows with the help of brown and black. It makes the beach more realistic. Now here I am adding some details with the help of white acrylic paint to the river. And after that, here I am adding some greenery to the mountains with the help of my old flat brush. First of all, apply some green to the mountains, and after that add second layer of yellow like I am adding here. Now my favorite part, to make the clouds. So here I am using some cotton and applying white acrylic paint with the help of this. Just create some random shapes with the help of this technique and you will get beautiful clouds after that. When my first layer is done, here I am adding second layer with the help of some grey shade. You can see I am only using this grey shade in few parts, not all over the clouds. Just blend both of the colors nicely and you will get a nice and beautiful effect after this. I must say guys, this technique is so easy and you should use this technique to make the clouds. Even I am going to paint the clouds in my next paintings with this technique only. Now when you are done with this, add some birds with the help of your detailing brush. Here I am using black acrylic paint to paint the birds. Now when it is dried completely, I am applying some varnish. And our painting is ready. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial of illusion art, and if you did, then please do hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and I'll be back next week. Till then, take care of yourselves. Have a great day. Bye.